In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications on Threads. We're focusing on browser notifications, the little pop-ups your computer shows when a site tries to alert you, not the in-app alerts on your phone. By the end, you'll have Threads website silenced so you can browse without interruptions. First, open your browser's settings. This is typically found by clicking the menu icon, often 3 dots or 3 lines, near the top right or left of your browser window, then choosing Settings. If you already have Threads open in a tab, leave it there. We'll come back to it after the change. Next, head to the Privacy and Security section. This is the area where your browser stores controls for things like tracking protection, cookies, and permissions. Different browsers label it slightly differently, but you're looking for the page that deals with safety, privacy, and site permissions. Inside Privacy and Security, look for Site Settings. This is where your browser manages what each website is allowed to do, things like using your microphone, showing pop-ups, or sending notifications. If your browser has a search box at the top of settings, typing Site Settings is a quick way to jump straight there. Now, find Notifications. This is the permission that governs whether a site can show those small alert windows on your desktop. Some browsers list it under Permissions or Safety, but the wording Notifications is usually consistent. Open it to view and manage which sites are allowed or blocked. Finally, block Threads.net. In the notifications controls, you'll see areas for allowed and blocked. If Threads.net already appears under allowed, change it to block. If you don't see it listed, add it manually to the block list. Enter Threads.net, just the domain is fine, and confirm the change. In some browsers, you may need to click Add, then paste or type Threads.net and save. If you're currently on the Threads site and a prompt appears asking to show notifications, choose Block. That sets the rule immediately. Once you've added Threads.net to block, you're done. Refresh any open Threads tabs so the new permission takes effect. From now on, the site won't be able to send browser notifications, and you can focus on your feed without pop-up interruptions. If you ever change your mind, come back to the same notifications area, find Threads.net, and switch it back or remove the rule to reset it. Thanks for watching and enjoy a quieter browsing experience.